From failing exams to a plus student, how to study to succeed. Hello, studying machines, feeling bogged down by exam woes and academic hurdles? Don't fret, because I've got a game-changing set of study strategies that will help you turn your academic challenges into triumphs. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, establish a consistent study routine. Allocate specific time slots each day solely for studying, and adhere to this schedule as closely as possible. Consistency is your ally in improving retention and elevating your academic performance. Second, identify a serene and distraction-free zone for study. This could be a quiet corner of your home, a local library, or even a tranquil park. The aim is to find a place where you can devote your full attention to your academic tasks. Moving on, tackle your study material by dividing it into smaller, more digestible pieces. Avoid the pitfall of trying to memorize large volumes of information all at once. Instead, concentrate on mastering smaller segments, one at a time. Now let's explore the concept of active learning. Passively skimming through text won't cut it. Engage deeply with your study material through methods like summarizing key ideas, teaching the concepts to someone else, or developing flashcards to test your understanding. Furthermore, time management skills are essential. Organize your study tasks, establish reasonable deadlines, and resist the urge to procrastinate. Effective time management will enable you to submit your assignments punctually and make your study sessions far more productive. Lastly, your well-being should never take a backseat. Ensure you're getting sufficient sleep, eating balanced meals, and incorporating regular exercise into your routine. A well-maintained body and mind are prerequisites for academic excellence. There you have it, your roadmap to academic success. Make sure to make it happen, okay? You will be so proud. Thank you so much for tuning in, Studying Machines. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy studying and learning.